Ladies were not there in the war.
But if you see the history, there was no any of the war happened in ancient India. The war has started from medieval India.
There were many wars in ancient India.
Others also have to be participate. Only two are speaking.
And sir, in ancient India, there was no mean of transportation for going from one place to another place. The time was very required, but now we can go in a very less time.
No, sir, not like that. The Vasco da has there was also mode of transportation, but it was slow
The
because there
transportation was
were no
not that
vehicles.
quick. The transportation was very slow.
Yeah, I agree. It was slow, but
You
it was
both also
ancient. And
agree.
if you see that the if you see the was ancient India, and now today also it is used in contemporary. That is why ancient India is more important, because if ancient India not get founded for the transportation in contemporary India will be also there.
And the topic is not that which is more important. Topic is that which is
Abhishek Mahale, Adarsh Mishra speak. Tanmay Kamble, Tanesh Aire, Danesh, Atul Daide.
in ancient India, if in a place the rice was grown, only the people of that area were only eating that rice. But in now, all the goods are transported from one place to another.
Sir, in contemporary,
Like
sir,
from
in contemporary India,
we get
the
apples. So like from Kashmir, we get apples to eat, and some others like from tea.
sir, in contemporary India, it is bad that from fruits and vegetables, the toxic substances like wine is made, and which is harmful for people. And the vegetables or fruits grown today nowadays is full of pesticides and chemicals. They are also uh, not healthy for us. Due to this, it affects the lifespan of the people.
Ritesh, speak.
As in Asian, the king was not stopped if he wanted to kill anyone. He can do. Now in contemporary, we cannot do that. We have to follow some rules. But in Asian,
Due,
no rules for the.
due to road accident, uh, that more than
That is
but why king kill anybody without any reason?
Yeah,
something
yes.
like we have seen in as we have seen in Ramayana that Kauravas misbehaved with that lady, and there were like if we do this, we get punishment in contemporary, but in Asian there was nothing like that.
Yeah, have seen the whole Ramayana, then you can get to know that war has occurred due to the mistake of the what the 100 brothers. That is why
And in
the war
war,
occurred.
the people who have not done that, their life were gone. ज्यांची काय
No,
चुकी
if
नव्हती
they
त्यांचीच
want to,
मृत्यू झाली
no,
ना
no,
त्यात.
that their mistake, because if they not want to,
दोघांच्या भांडणामुळे दोघांच्या
if
भांडणामुळे
they,
प्राण गेले.
अरे मग त्यांची चुकीने जे मेले ते दोघांची भांडणात त्यांनी का मध्ये पडायचं?
तेच तर होतं ना की किंग जर त्यांना किंगचं ऑर्डर त्यांना फॉलो करायला लागले असते आणि केलं नसते की मग त्यांना किंग मारला असतं.
नाही नाही असं काय नाही, तुम्हाला काय ते सांग.
अरे तसंच होतं. आता आपली इच्छा असते आपल्याला आर्मी जॉईन करायची नाही करायची आपली इच्छा असते, पण तिथं जे किंग म्हणाल तसंच होतं ना. स्वतःची इच्छा नव्हती तिथं.
होतं.
अरे बोलिए ना, दूसरे क्यों बैठे हैं खामोश? मनीष, ऋषिकेश तुपे, शिवम माने, तनिष अहिरे.
Indian ancient civilization was also great sites.
ओके वैभव. शार्दुल, मैं आपको फिर से वेटिंग रूम में रख दूंगा. ओके तनिष. मैं ग्रुप में नाम लिख के भेजने वाला कौन कौन यहाँ पे डिबेट में पार्टिसिपेट किया प्रॉपर वे से.
And also Vedic tradition of Asian history is also practiced till today.
Hello sir. Hello.
हाँ आदित्य.
In nowadays in contemporary India, most of the economical parties is towards the
But till the 25 or 20% people are using the Vedic tradition in India in today's era.
hello sir. Most part of the economy in today's contemporary India is towards the tours and travels, due to which the people from foreign people come in India to see such the ancient monuments. Therefore, it also the most part of the contemporary India depends upon the monument of the ancient period.
सर जो चीज पहले होगी होगी उसको तो लोग देखने आएंगे ना. अगर समझो सर कंटेम्प्रेरी में जो अभी है 100 साल बाद कोई अगर आगे जो होगा वो भी कंटेम्प्रेरी वाले जो चीज है उसको देखने कोई आएगा ना, वो जो नया उसको अच्छा देखेगा.
आप लोग मेरा नाम मत
Sir,
लीजिए. डिबेट का एक रूल होता है, कभी आप लोग सर का नाम नहीं लेते. डिबेट में आप डायरेक्टली आर्ग्यू करते हो आपके टीम मेंबर्स के साथ में, जो होता है सामने आपका अपोनेंट, उसको डायरेक्टली बोलते हुए करते हो आप लोग. आपको उसको एग्रेसिव
And also the
करना
history of Asian India complete the study of Stone Age and Vedic later or Vedic age.
रोशा बोल की काय तर.
जय हिंद सर.
जैन सर.
अरे काय बोलू रे, सगळे आमच्या ग्रुप मधली गप्पत बसले नाही.
बस मग 1 तास झाला आता बस.
हेलो, कंटिन्यू करो जल्दी से.
सर बोलो बाकी बच्चों को.
हाँ, बाकी के बोल नहीं रहे.
In the ancient history, the civilization includes cities of Harappan and Mohenjo-daro, which is the last means which is the ancient history.
रितेश, हेलो. बोलिए टॉपिक पे कुछ ना कुछ.
India's civilization means ancient civilization. It flourished from 2600 to 1900 BCE. And also the Vedic civilization is the earliest civilization in the ancient history of the India. It named as the Vedas or the literature of Hindu.
गुड वैभव. शिवम राणे अपोजिम, तन्मय कांबळे, तरुण चव्हाण. अरे चैट में लिख के भेजो, बोलते नहीं आ रहा हो तो. आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है. Okay, Ritesh. Agriculture is one of the most important discovery of ancient India. Oppose him.
in contemporary India belongs to same age living or occurring in a same period of time.
But the history of ancient civilization began with the birth of Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization is the name of ancient civilization. The first people they had made it, or they had put the name for ancient civilization in the Harappan civilization, or is known as the Harappan civilization also.
Rishikesh Tupe, ancient India was better than the current India because in current India the vehicle are used to transport which need outside energy or outside source of energy by which the source resources which we have they are get consumed or they are being exhausted by the vehicle, and in ancient history there was no vehicle which energy by which the environment can be damaged, so ancient India is better than the current India. Rishikesh Tupe speaks about.
The course of contemporary Indian education will define and describe the importance of education, the philosophical and 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 historical preservatives of education. It concentrates the concept and type of diversity education of modern ethos and help to understand the diversity of diverse needs of a learners.
But Abhishek, if you are learning maths, then the invention of Java has done in ancient period. If you
Yeah.
learning in bio or any other subject, then the medicinal plants or the invention of surgery has occurred in ancient.
Rishikesh Tupe wrote in the message that only for the first India we can't damage the environment. Opposed anyone to group A? Danesh, Shivam Rane, Tanmay.
Contemporary education is all about the connecting school learning to the lives we lead and the means of changing how we do the school consciously, deliberately and internationally. This is what school many has become in many places, and it was we take to be normal.
But in ancient period also there was also teaching, but there are not schools. But instead of school, there were the temple or gurukuls. That's why it is same like school, but they are not called school. There are gurukul type learning.
Danesh, is Don't write in the chat to private. Write it publicly. Danish wrote that humans in the timing in the power contemporary India.
The the some contemporary issue in the education uh, that
Yes.
some contemporary issue in the education are the classroom size, poverty, family factors, technology, bullying, student attitude and behavior, no child left behind, parent involvement, etc.
सर इसने हमारा पॉइंट बता दिया सर.
हाँ हाँ,
25.
शार्दुल आप कुछ बोल भी नहीं रहे हो, सिर्फ कमेंट करने के लिए हो आप बस.
And also the arts from like dance, music, literature, architects are from the ancient India, not from the today's era.
दानिश ने कमेंट किया है, रितेश ने बोला कि व्हीकल यूजिंग इन एंशियंट इंडिया. दानिश प्राइवेट चैट कर रहा है. रितेश ही अपोजिंग यू.
There are many important discoveries like agriculture, animal husbandry, clothes, housing. These all were discovered in ancient India.
Okay. Oppose anyone to Ritesh? Bhavesh, you are from group B. You have to speak about the contemporary India. You have to oppose ancient India. You have topics with you. Rishikesh Tupe. In current India, the number of the industries are increased, due to which carbon dioxide, the greenhouse gases are increased, because of which the global warming has been increased. And due to the global warming, there is a threat to environment or threat to melting of a glaciers, because of which land and get penetrate into the deep into the water. Students spending time in relative isolation in jungle, etc., oppose sacrifices and ritual stress on the moral virtues. Shardul wrote that.
Umrani says that technology creates missiles and that's, but in the Asian history, they don't need of technology. They have the battles of the kings or any the people who are leading the area. They have their own battles. They fight and they gain the any fort or any area they want. They don't need any missiles or they, and also they don't have any technology, but they are more brilliant in the ancient India.
A time when history has become an ideological site for the redrawing of idea of India, we write with the conviction that as professional historians, we must be responsible in the interpretations. Tarun Chauhan wrote. No, Danesh, you are not using your microphone. Tanmay, शार्दुल आप कुछ तो बोलो. आपका तो हिस्ट्री अच्छा प्रिपेयर्ड है ना? आदर्श मिश्रा, आदर्श. आदर्श. ओके. आदर्श आपका बहुत वॉइस लो था. एनीवन वांट टू अपोज आदर्श? Okay. Last 2 minutes. Shivam Rane, satellites which were invented in a contemporary India are useful to get info about the other planets and stars, which is beneficial for human welfare. But in ancient India, it was not so due to lack of development. Aditya,
Yes, sir.
oppose.
Yes, sir. सर एंशियंट पीरियड में कोई जरूरत नहीं स्टार्स की स्टडी करने की.
There are so many scientists, Galileo Galilei and Kepler's.
Sir, because of astronomy, everybody was knowing about the stars in ancient India.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, astronomy was invented in ancient India.
But his point is bigger than you, Tanish. Shivam said that satellite right now in the current scenario, it is working more as compared to ancient India.
हा सर तेव्हा नव्हतेच सॅटेलाइट तर मग वर्किंगचं काय आलं मध्ये
होते होते
तर कोणते सॅटेलाइट आर्टिफिशियल सॅटेलाइट कोणते होते
होते ना
कोणते नाव सांगा तुम्ही
अमेरिकाने लॉन्च केले होते
सर ते
Ancient
मॉडर्न
India
पिरियड
मध्ये.
मध्ये
सर ते
ancient period
मॉडर्न
मध्ये नव्हते
एन्शंट
सर.
विचारतो एन्शंट
ओके इंडिया मध्ये तर काय
In ancient India was found as a natural satellite.
तर नॅचरल सॅटेलाइट होता मून
हा म्हणून तर
Sir,
पण त्याचा काही फायदा नव्हता एवढा
natural satellite in ancient India. अमावस्या काढायची त्याची